These are all the things I'm going to be using to achieve my lip combo. You don't want to apply too much of the lip gloss. The reason why I'm applying this lip gloss is to moisturize my lip. Okay. Okay. See. Ensure it is very well moisturized. Yeah. And then I'm gonna make use of my lip palette, and then going with my brush. Okay. Shade of black. Then because I have full lips already, I'm not gonna be doing things above my lip line. Okay. Yeah. Classic lipstick. Let's try it. One thing about this one is that you have to ensure that you're using as little as possible, because if you use too much, it's gonna be like too much. This is why I love this thing. All you need is just a little bit of this one and you're good to go. So you tap later, and then I'm not gonna be matching this together because the goal for me is to blend it as possible, but using my brush. So one thing I love about using the brush is that it does not allow your lipstick to smudge. Like if you keep, mashing your lips together like consistently, it sometimes causes your lipstick to break. So that is why making use of the brush is very, very good. And I'm just going to go over here with my black brush again. And then I'll use it again. I think I'm liking it. Can you see? Yeah. So yes, this is it, and we're gonna have to make use of this one to ensure that everything rhymes. So I added a little bit of lip gloss right here, and yeah, it's actually looking very good than how it is on camera. I don't know why. Oh my god, this is cute. Like, see, it's giving I'm bold. It's giving I'm confident. Like also when you feel like the inner lip gloss here is faded, you can just add a little bit more of this and then you mash it together just briefly and not too much so that it doesn't break. So you know it's a ritual already that at the end of every video I always say a word of encouragement, and today I want to tell you that Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on the things you love. Don't give up on your passion. Instead, you know, desire for you. And if you feel like you are incapable of pursuing your passion maybe due to financial restraint, you can probably do something that will fetch you money so you can pursue your passion. You know what I mean? Like you are doing things that you love, and at the same time, you are doing things that will fetch you money.